What is up? This is Herbie Rocks 1, and I'm going to do a review of my Lakewood P-23 fan. My grandma had this when it was new, and she just handed it down, and then it was to my other grandma, my mom, and then it went to me. But I recently painted this, so it's red, and it's pretty cool. I kept the top Kmart logo. Kinda doesn't look good, but I kept it. And there's also new feet on the bottom. So, I know they're not very straight. I didn't really see where I was putting them on, but they work. Okay, so here's low. Medium. High. As you can see, the camera has that, but the switch didn't go on straight. Might be able to see that. There's only 2 slots missing in the bottom, but I switched the back and the front. The front had more slots down in the front. And there's a back that used to be the front, so there's 5 slots missing. And we painted all that too. So there's my Lakewood P-23.